Okay, hello, welcome back to your channel, Zach English. Now let's learn the numbers. The first digit is 0, yes, they are in digits. 0 has got a multiple of words to express the same digit, 0. The first one is nil. Nil is more British, and it's used to express, to show a sports score. Not is also British, but it's for general use. It means nothing. Null is both for British and Americans. And O is like the letter O. It means 0, both for British and Americans. And we most use is for phone numbers, bank accounts, a long number, for example, address, mail, etc. Okay, now for other digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 1 million, 1 billion, and 1 trillion, and this is the largest number ever.
Please subscribe for more.
Okay, now let's move to remarks. First remark is pay attention to stress at the end of these numbers from 13 to 19. So pay attention to the stress. All right. So stress, normally it goes on teen, 13, 14, 15, etc. For digits with tens, so the stress is on the beginning. 30, 40, 50, okay, till 90. And I'd like to mention a little difference between American and British for the number 20. So British, they call it 20, while Americans, they pronounce it 20, 20. They omit the sound of T. Also another remark to remember is a hyphen between the first part and second part. For example, 20, there is a hyphen, and then 1. 22. Between the two words, there is a hyphen. Okay? Hyphen is a little dash in the middle. Okay, another remark to remember. The number 1000 is 1 followed by 3 zeros. 1 million is 1 followed by 6 zeros. 1 billion is 1 followed by 9 zeros. And 1 trillion is 1 followed by 12 zeros.
Remember.
Okay, now let's put your knowledge under test. Please pause the video until you give your answer. Okay, dear followers, now we reached almost the end of the video. As a last remark, the pronunciation of "and". Normally in speaking, because we speak fast, we don't say "and". We can say "n" or just "n". Also, the word "and", we use it normally between 1,000, 100, hundreds and tens, between thousands, hundreds and tens. And if the tens are zeros, there is no end. For example, 1,100. It's not 1,100. It's not okay. Normally we use 1,000. We say 1,100. Okay, dear viewers, this is the last moments in the video. It's time for a song, but wait, before that, you have to report me your score. It's out of 10. You remember the numbers we did, right? They are 10. So if they are correct, out of 10, you tell me how much you get. 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, all of them correct, just 2. The least is 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10 is okay. Less than 4 is not okay. You have to work harder and you have to play the video couple of times and try the button of pause. The pause button. Okay, don't forget to tell me in the comments section about your score, as well as don't forget to subscribe and like. So enjoy the video and also enjoy this song.
Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, 1 trillion. Numbers, 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 numbers. numbers, numbers, numbers.